to put on. I found this microgreens growing kit at a steal deal, so let's check it out. It is from Nurturing Green and I found it while buying grocery from Quick Commerce, so let's check it out. These are the instructions that look super easy, and this is what it contains. There's a cocoa disc, it's going to expand. There's this grow bag, packet of seeds. I'm going to pour water on this disc and let it expand. Meanwhile, here are some details, but I got it at a much lesser price. I'm going to tag it too. You can buy it from here. And it's already expanding. I think it needs more water. I guess this is all that we require, and I'm going to spread it out. The fibrous material is going to make sure that it stays only damp and not wet. All of this is extra and can be used in other plants. It's time to plant the seeds now. There's a generous amount of seeds in here. Microgreens are sown thickly because they are harvested at a very tender age. I'm going to put all the seeds in one go, covering them just a bit. Now the instructions are to mist it daily. The weather is really hot, so that is not optional at all. It is now day 2 and look at the beautiful growth. It is now day 4 and look at the beautiful lush growth. At this rate they are going to be ready to harvest by day 10. They were stretching for light a bit yesterday, so I had turned the direction around and they seem okay now. It is now day 5 and look at the lush growth. I'm misting it a few times a day and also watering it very carefully. We are at day 6 and the only issue I'm facing is leggy seedlings, but I'm dealing with it by rotating it daily. The true leaves have not come up yet, so we are going to wait. Other than that, they are pretty lush and healthy. It is now day 7 and I'm a bit worried today because the seedlings have toppled over. They are all over the place. They are very leggy. I don't know whether I have oversown them because they are out in full light all day. This should not be happening. I have also been rotating. There has been no lack of water as well. We are at day 9 now and it looks pretty much the same as day 8. Not much progress or difference. Let's wait for tomorrow. Almost forgot to shoot day 10 because I was out buying some plants. There doesn't seem to be much progress though. So the true leaves are finally emerging on day 11. The seedlings look really healthy and I think they will be ready to harvest this week. Keeping my fingers crossed. They are lush, green and healthy. Quite exciting now. Finally, on day 12, the true leaves are clearly visible and emerging quickly. I think they should be ready to harvest in about 3 to 4 days. The seedlings are also lush and not lanky anymore. I was a bit concerned, but that seems to be sorted now. So the kit said to harvest at day 14 and some of these seedlings are actually ready to be harvested, but it is the evening now, so I will not be doing that today. I will do that tomorrow morning. Finally, it's time to harvest on day 16. Let's see. Now, even though you cannot have seconds from microgreens, but I'm going to let them grow and see what comes out. Maybe I can plant some of them. Now this is what I have got, and as for my thoughts on the kit, if you are a beginner you can try, because you can get a hang of how things are done. It is quite inexpensive. In my opinion, if you are not a beginner, you do not really need the kit, because all the things that you need to grow microgreens are easily available at home, except the seeds, which need to be non-GMO, non-treated, non-coated. Because these are edible, you actually need to have seeds that are pretty clean. Do let me know how you grow your microgreens. In the next video, I will be discussing the different ways I can do it at home too. If you have come this far, thank you, and please subscribe for more such gardening videos.